Every fake number service failed me on GitHub, except this one uses real SIM cards. If you've been trying to create GitHub accounts without exposing your personal number, you know the frustration. Most services give you VoIP numbers that GitHub instantly rejects. But here's what actually works. The problem isn't the concept, it's the technology. GitHub and other major platforms actively block VoIP numbers because they're easy to abuse. But MobileSMS.io uses real SIM-based numbers from actual mobile carriers. These aren't virtual numbers, they're legitimate phone lines that platforms trust. For GitHub specifically, you want their long-term rental option. Here's why. GitHub might re-verify your account later, especially if you're using it for CI, bots, or multiple projects. A disposable number leaves you locked out. But a 30-day rental gives you stability. The process is simple. Go to MobileSMS.io, choose your country, select the long-term rental option. You'll get a real number instantly. Use it for GitHub verification. Then set up proper two-factor authentication with an authenticator app. The rental stays active for 30 days, so any future verifications just work. For developers managing multiple accounts or teams needing shared access, they even offer Slack integration. No more hunting for verification codes. US plans available. One-time, 30-day single service, all services, and premium tiers. Choose what fits your workflow and verification needs without sharing personal numbers. For a single one-off sign-up, choose a one-time number. For CI or bots, the 30-day rental is stable and renewable. If you need multi-platform support, pick all services. For team sharing and Slack Discord delivery, go premium. Is it possible to create GitHub without phone verification? Yes. Email plus TOTP or passkeys works unless GitHub triggers a risk check. GitHub may ask during suspicious activity, or if you enable SMS2FA, it's not required for every sign-up. Non-VoIP. Real SIM numbers have higher acceptance where virtual numbers get rejected. Plan options include one-time, 30-day single service, all services, and premium. Pick the tier that matches your usage and team needs. Save recovery codes in a password manager. For help or refunds, contact MobileSMS.io support. Finally, a burner number service that actually understands how GitHub works. Ready to start? Try a 30-day rental at MobileSMS.io.